Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into Merge, the unified API that's changing the game for developers integrating with multiple platforms. So whether you're building an HR, CRM, ATS, or ticketing systems, Merge lets you connect with dozens of platforms using just one API, saving you time, reducing code, and making your life way easier. So let's begin by going to the official website, which is gonna be merge.dev. On the top corner, you would notice that there are multiple options. You can sign in using your credentials or click the get a demo. If you do, you will be forwarded to this section. Now, all you have to do is provide all the information needed and then click the request a demo. But if you don't want to give out any information and if you're not comfortable providing any details, we could learn a lot from Merge by just going to the main homepage. So click the main homepage of Merge and we will know all these by going to these sections. The platform, solutions, customers, resources, pricing, docs, and Merge for AI. So we're gonna go with the platform first. So you see that if you go to the platform itself, we would notice that it has the integrations for accounting. Okay, so you can basically integrate Merge with accounting platforms like QuickBooks, Xero, and a lot more. So it allows developers to connect and sync financial data such as invoices, expenses, accounts, and transactions across multiple systems using a single API. Not only that, it also has the ATS or the applicant tracking systems. So it integrates with tools that manage job applicants like Greenhouse, Lever. So the API standardizes data like job postings, candidates, applications, and interviews so companies can easily pull or push info to any ATS platform. And then there's going to be the HRIS or the Human Resource Information Systems. It provides access to employee data like Bamboo HR, Gusto, Merge HRIS integration, which lets you retrieve info such as employee profiles, departments, benefits, and time off in a unified way. So no matter which HRIS system is being used. And of course, there's going to be the CRM. Now, Merge integrates with CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Pipedrive. This lets developers access standardized data for contacts, leads, deals, accounts, and activities, helpful for sales tools or analytic platforms. And then there's going to be the file storage. Now, you can standardize access to file storage platforms like Dropbox, Google Drive, Box, wherein you can list, upload, download, and manage files across various providers using the same API. And then there's going to be the ticketing. The ticketing unifies support or issue tracking platforms like Zendesk, Jira, or ServiceNow. With this, you can manage tickets, users, comments, and status updates across different systems via one API. And if you wanted to see all the integrations, basically this is going to be the directory showing all the third-party platforms supported by Merge across the categories mentioned here. All right. It's helpful for discovering which tools you can connect to using Merge. So basically there's a lot. And as you can see, it's around 220 plus integrations with one API. Okay. So we're going to go here on the overview of why you wanted to choose the Merge. Okay. So basically Merge saves developers time and effort by eliminating the need to build and maintain separate integrations for each platforms. Now, it benefits scalability, maintenance reduction, and faster to go market. Of course, there's going to be the how Merge works. You might want to take a look very quickly in this section. And then there's going to be the security because Merge keeps data safe. All right. It often covers encryption, data storage policies, compliance like SOC2, GDPR, API key management, and how sensitive info is protected when syncing between platforms. And then there's going to be the observability. Merge provides visibility into sync status, API usage, errors, and performance metrics. So developers can understand what's going on and fix issues quickly. Now, if you go to the resources, these are some of the Learning Hub where we can learn more about Merge. We can go to the blog. It's subdivided into all the latest. For example, I've read the latest blog here on 3 insider tips for using the model context protocol effectively, and it's like a few minutes of read of your time. It's an interactive article that you might want to read. And then there are sections here for the ebooks. It's free to download. Click the arrow button here. Get the ebook, no email required. Just click on it and you will be forwarded to a new page. You can download it and it's free. It's absolutely at no cost. And then there's going to be the webinar. So I love webinars because you can join interesting webinars. It's free. For example, if you wanted to know how Deskboard uses Merge European-focused HRIS integrations to expand across the continent, click the arrow below. Before you can access, you need to provide all the information needed. It's 15 minutes of your time. It was streamed last March 31st. And then you can access the webinar by providing again all the information needed. All right. And then one of the most important part of Merge is knowing the pricing. Now, you might notice that it's not publicly available, but for the launch package for early stage startups that want to build a proof of concept, okay, you can start for free. Again, all I have to do is click the sign up button. You will be forwarded here. Now we're gonna go shortly with a very quick information about the use cases. Number one that I like about Merge is the Power AI features. All right, so you can basically use Merge to sync structured data from various SaaS tools, enriching AI models with real-world business data. Not only that, you have the auto provision. I like it because you can automatically create and configure user accounts across integrated apps when new employees are onboarded in the HR system, which is kind of really helpful if you ask me. And then there's going to be the candidate sourcing. It's very helpful to pull candidate data from multiple recruiting platforms into your app to simplify hiring workflows or enhance talent intelligence tools. And of course, you have the knowledge base. We're going to skip that, but I'm going to check on the project analysis. So you can aggregate data from project management tools like Asana, Jira, Trello to evaluate timelines, workloads, and resource usage. And last that I'm going to show you is the financial analysis, because Merge integrates accounting data from tools like QuickBooks or NetSuite to build dashboards, forecasts, or financial report. Again, if you wanted to get more idea about Merge, go to the docs and of course the resources, and simply you can click the get a demo so you can schedule a discovery call with one of the Merge API's sales professionals so that they can offer a tailored fit solution to your business needs. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.